Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Here we make programming simple and fun. Whether you're just starting or already coding, you will find easy tutorials, clear explanation, and real projects to help you grow as a programmer. Subscribe and join me on this journey to learn, build, and code the future together. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the last video we learned about variables, how to store and change values in C++. In today's video we will talk about comments and how to take input from the user. Two simple but super important concepts every programmer must know. What are comments? Let's start with comments. Comments are lines in your code that the computer ignores. They are just notes for humans to read. We use comments to explain what our code does or to leave reminders for ourselves. So, let's start with an example. We create a new file. Let's name it comments.c++. Include IOR stream using namespace std int main. So we write slash slash. This is my first comment. My first comment in C++. And let's write cout. Hello guys. Comment. Hello guys. ENDL. To write multiple comments, use slash multiple marks. This is my multi-line comment. It can span across multiple lines. And we write return 0. So here anything after slash slash is ignored by the compiler. And if you want to write a longer note, you can use slash multiplication mark. Now let's learn how to take input, or in simple words, how to ask the user to type something. In C++, we use CN, which stands for character inputs. So let's show you. Let's write cout and let's declare a variable int name and another variable now string name to store name int age. Let's ask the user for his name and age. So we need to display, please enter your name. ENDL. Let's write CN name. Cout, please enter your age. ENDL. CN age. And let's print cout. Your name is name ENDL cout. You are age years old. So let's run. I have four problems. And this is so let's run our code. Let's let's run our code. Save it. Run it. Please enter your name. Let's enter David Marches. David Marches. Oh, okay. Here we need to use getLine cn to avoid skipping asking the age. We need to use getLine function. We include string, string, and we use function getLine function. GetLine cn name, and will it should run correctly. Let's save and run. Enter David Marches, age 21. My name is David Marches and you are 21 years old. So let's understand this step by step. First, we declared a variable int age. Then we display the message using cout asking the user to enter his age. The command cn age waits for the user to type a number and press enter. Finally, we print the value using cout. So when you run this program, it will look like this. Your name is enter. Please enter your name. You write David Martyrs or your name. Please enter your age. You write your age. After it's display, your name is David Martz, or it display your name and your age. Now and that's it. You've learned how to use comments to describe your code and how to take input from the user using cn. In the next video, we will learn how to perform basic calculation in C++. We will learn arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, and more. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep practicing. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.